No, I don't.
Are you filming it?
Have my non-tape hand.
Well done. That was very well. You are the boss. Can I see this for this?
No.
Oh. Oh, yeah. Thanks.
Take it with you.
Oh, this works, dude. Oh, sorry, I thought it would be a second.
Oh, weird. Would have been better if you hit me in the face. That was pretty good. It's supposed to come out like...
I think it's right.
Right up. You're back.
Mom, I saw that Sunday. I'm sorry.
Yeah.